Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your Angular JS project in cPanel. So currently I'm in cPanel. You have to go for the files. Here you can see option files and then go for the file manager. So click here file manager and in the left side, okay, you will find public_html folder. Just click on public_html. Here you can see I have already my previous project here, so I'm going to delete all of them. Okay, so just delete all of them. Fine, now my directory is empty. And which directory? public_html. And here we have to actually upload our project. So click here upload, and this is the upload page, and through this option we can actually select our project. But you can actually drag and drop also. I mean drag the project and drop it here. So let's go to the project directory, and here this is the project, okay, test Angular. So just go inside it, and here you will find .angular, BS code, okay, and dist. So if you miss this file or folder, sorry, dist folder, you have to have this folder, okay. So if you don't have this folder, what you have to do, you have to actually type here in the project directory, okay. Let me show you once again. This is the project, so go inside the project and type here cmd in the address bar and hit enter. So it will actually open cmd. Here you can see. Okay, don't do this if you already have this dist folder. I already have this dist folder. Here you can see. But in your case, if you don't have this folder, then you have to actually do this process. So the process is, you have to say here ng, okay, build, then space hyphen, okay, configuration, configuration, then production, and you have to hit enter. But I already have this, so I'm not going to do this. And this is my folder dist. So just go inside this folder, and here you can see, just go inside this and then click here browse, okay, and you have to stop here when you will find index, okay. Now I will actually select all of them and I will actually make zip, okay. So just right click on it and select compress to zip file, and here I will say my project, okay. I will say my Angu, okay, my Angu. So now I have to actually upload this file, okay, this file, I mean folder. So this is my zip folder. Now I have to drag and drop it here. So how you will find this? You have to click here in the upload button. Go to the public_html, then click here upload button. It will actually show you this page, and now you have to drag your zip file here. So just drag and drop it here. Here we go. Now just go back to the previous page, and here you can see we got the zip file, right? Now we have to extract it. Right click on it and click here extract, and click here extract files, close it. Now we have all the file. And now if I go to the domain, and my domain is unipixel.com, here you can see there is nothing. So basically my index.html file is empty. Maybe let me show you. If I open it in notepad, here you can see there is nothing, right, in the body. Here you can see, and that is the reason actually it's showing nothing. Let me show you unipixel.com. If I go to my domain, here you can see nothing is there. But if I type anything here, let's say I want to change it, okay, in the file manager. So I will actually click on the index.html and I will actually edit it. So click here edit, and here after inside the body, we are going to say that, let's say I want to say here h1, okay, I'll say h1, and I'll say here hello Angu, hello my Angu, okay, is live now. Now if I save changes, if I refresh it now, here I can see hello my Angu is live now. I mean my project is now in live. So this is how actually you can do this. So guys, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.